to continue our quest to be the best fraction people we can. Today, people, we look at fractions, and guess what we're doing with fractions today? We are multiplying them. And I think you would be happy to learn that there's nothing easier you can do with fractions than multiply them. Okay? And the first thing, let me just put one up here. Let's say you are multiplying, let me find one here. 1/3 times 2/3. 1/3 times 2/3. Nice simple. First things first, unlike with adding them together, please do not write up and down. Do not write up and down. Wow, look at that. Write them sideways, just like they are. Right sideways. And bullet point 2 here. Okay, the only thing you have to remember when you multiply fractions is you just need to multiply across. That's it. It's just that simple. In other words, you are just going to multiply the two top numbers together, and you'll multiply the two bottom numbers together. 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. Which makes sense, I guess. A good way to think about this, what if I asked you what is 1/2 of 1/4? We also have to remember the word of in math is always, always means to multiply. But before we do that, if you would take out, somebody show me their little fraction circles, because sometimes it helps us to see this. We are finding 1/2 of 1/4, which means this. If you take out your little 1/4 circle piece, what fraction piece is 1/2 of 1/4? If you look at all of your fraction pieces, now Joseph, we're not finding, the question isn't 1/4 is 1/2 of what number, we're asking what fraction is 1/2 of this. In other words, if you had a pizza, okay, you had a pizza and your mom gave you a whole 1/4 of it, and she said, well, cut it in half, find 1/2 of it and give it to your brother/sister. What is 1/2 of that 1/4 piece? Maya? 1/8. If you look at it and you look at your 1/8 piece, it takes 2 of them to make up that 1/4 thing. So, and if we did this, if we multiplied it across, what do we get if we multiply across? 1 times 1 is 1. Wow. And 2 times 4 is 1/8. Same thing if I asked you what is 1/4 of what is 1/4 of 1/2? If you took your 1/2 circle piece, which would be like this part of it, doesn't really write it well, and I asked you what is 1/4 of that, if you took this 1/2 and cut it into 4 equal pieces, let's cut, here's a 1/2, that's a 1/2 of a 1/2, how much is a 1/2 of a 1/2? What would that be? 1/2 of a 1/2 is 1/4, and then I cut that 1/2 in half again to make 4 pieces. What is 1/4 of 1/2? Color it in. here's me cutting half into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have just 1/4 of it. Oh, what piece is that? What piece slice is that? Anybody? Now do the multiplication. 1 times 1 is, 4 times 2 is, that's a 1/8 piece right there. Take 1/4 of 1/2. Do we have to? Let's see what they'll say ask us. So you have to remember, they'll ask you lots of times, they will use this word of. You always have to remember the word of just means to multiply. How about this? Because this will really get you going. What is, well, no, I can't ask you that. We'll ask you that later, sorry. Stop right there.